why do we breathe? Why do we eat? Why do we even live in this world? The answer lies in one word, that is data. Data is everywhere, and without it, our life would become a standstill. In today's world, data is not just important, but it's also a new oil which basically drives innovation, progress, and opportunity. According to a recent Hindustan Times article, AI is going to create 97 million jobs by 2025. But here's the catch. It is also going to eat a lot of jobs as well. With data, you are not just solving the problems, but you are making those solutions which makes a real world impact. And yes, you can earn millions by harnessing the potential of data. I, Mohammad Khurram Shakir, a data science consultant, welcome you all for this transformative course. In this particular course, we will be learning various machine learning algorithms, both mathematically and with the help of very simple and very optimized Python codes. Why mathematically? Because understanding the true power of these machine learning algorithms, it's important to learn the basics behind them. And that's not all. We will also going to cover the basics of Excel, the basics of Python, and their seamless integration into AI-driven solutions. Yes, all three basic essential data science tools in one go: Excel, Python, and artificial intelligence. So, if you are ready to future-proof your career, make real-world challenges, and also want to experience the limitless potential of data, see you all in this particular transformative course. Thank you.